Hello friends, now we are discussing about chapter number 3, Business Services Part 2. In this chapter, we are mainly discussing about banking activities as like functions of the bank, types of bank, services provided by bank, e-banking and services associated with the bank. So first I want to discuss that how the bank word established or derived. Basically word bank, the word bank is taken from Italian word banco, B-A-N-C-O, banco. In the word, the activity is not related with the modern period only, but with the ancient period, the banking activity is continued. And in earlier, so many people were doing work of the money lending. They were known as Masella, M-A-C-E-L-L-A, Masella. Their region where they work was considered as banque because they were working with small shop, sit on the wooden bench with closed fence, so their property could be saved. So in that way, the history of the deriving word bank starts from banque, banco, then banque and Masella. Now, the first bank of the world in the modern period is considered as Bank of Barcelona. Bank of Barcelona is considered as first bank of the world. And now I am talking about the meaning of the bank. According to the Reserve Bank of India Act, bank is an institution which collects deposits. See, when any definition is being described, listen carefully words. You will get so many important functions and the characteristics of it. I repeat, bank is an institution which collects deposit in order to lend them and with the condition is about to return it at the end of fixed term or whenever it is being demanded by the lenders. Right? I repeat, bank is an institution which collect deposit in order to lend them with condition to return it at the end of fixed term whenever it is being demanded by the lenders. So here basic 2 points. First, I explained that it is an institution. Second, its activity is to collect the money and to lend the money, because the bank collect money from us, they will lend it to the others with asking for specific interest, and whenever we ask them to give our money back. They give us back our money. So in that way, the institution is working to collect our money, keep it with them. That is called the savings. And when we want, give it us back to us. So in that way, the banking is the activity of collecting the money and lending the money and returning back when the depositor asks to get the money back. Okay, here I discuss in a small explanation about banking activity. Now I am discussing about functions. See, there are two types of the function. First is the main function and second is the subsidiary function. Here its table is given. According to the notes, you can follow the table. First is the main function, to accept or collect the deposit. Second, to lend the money. Third, to invest the money. Fourth, to do interbanking transaction. Interbanking means one bank will give money to the other bank. Okay, subsidiary functions are look after financial transaction of the customer, to supervise. Second, do transactions of foreign exchange. Third, issue letter of credit. Fourth, issue traveler's check. Fifth, provide draft service, means demand draft, overdraft, whatever. Sixth, provide information related to credit of a account holder associated with the bank. Seven, provide service of underwriter, means the guarantor, for account holder with that any financial transaction whenever it is needed. And eighth, provide other related services as like ATM service, demat service, safe deposit vault, etc. So here I have discussed with you about the list of functions of bank. Generally, we know that accept deposit and other services are inside of the bank, they are doing with their account holders. And the second side is invest money or lend money to whom they trust, they believe that they will return the money back to the bank. To them, they issue the loans. So in that way, banks are doing lots of the activities. These are the basic functions which I discussed. But apart of it, collect the tax from the customers and send it to the government, tax challans, right? It is also a big activity. Without the bank, it is not possible. Deliver gold coins also, the banks are doing for us. So in that way, banks are providing many services. But the main function and subsidiary function are part of routine discussion which we are discussing right now. Okay friends?